plans and allows national coverage.
So basically, all of your engineers and your salespeople at any time will have access to your tasks, your calendar, and be able to communicate with the home office, or not home office, the
central
home,
base.
your central base office, your main office, at any time, but all in an extremely secure.
This will handle all data types: SMS, video, voicemail, and eventually we want to move into full digital, so we can even have VoIP. So everything will be handled purely digital, and we can get away from just normal cell phones. In a ad hoc manner, and everything is always referred back to this central server for security reasons and history reasons. So everything is kept up to date, and the phones are alerted of each other in real time, which is really neat. So these people all around the country, and we have administrators managing and moderating the data also in real time with a centralized server, which can provide updates, which will get immediately using BlackBerry API, which we can push and stuff.
That's perfect.
Yeah, fun.
And the administrators are the ones who will have direct access to the CRM software, the ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, Customer Resource Management. So they will actually be able to see everything that the sales and the engineers are, including their location, and optimize where they're going to see each of their 45 clients or so. The centralized server has its own key. So only the person who has this key and the person who has the other end of the key and who it's intended will actually be able to decrypt the information going from one end to another end.
So we have a low list will be about $250, approximately that amount. So we're looking about $8,750 to upgrade a centralized server, just general ballpark of $6,000. Sorry. CRM, we're going to be using Sugar, which is commercial open source and well-priced, thoroughly tested, which is great. And so, of course, we have the software consulting time, the customized.
To have a startup, and you're saying you got some funding. Do you think that's a reasonable cost to roll out something for a growing company?
Actually, I think it's high. Yeah,
a little bit high. Okay.
A little bit high, but that was their intention, right?
Right. I mean that was a requirement.
Yeah.
Sure, you're meeting the requirement, but you feel like you can do better than that in the real world, given the requirements that were available in that document.
Yes.
Oh,
yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, then they give me a round figure. Let's say if you could deploy something like that in the real world. I know, and it's just a guess, right? I mean, based on what you've seen, yeah. If you guys were to deploy something like that,
I would say probably around $100,000, probably.
$100,000. So you can make 100% markup on this.